All right, here on the Cedar River, gonna be doing a little fishing. Gonna be fishing with the fluke, and never fished this river a day in my life, but hopefully we'll have some good luck. Two. There we go. Oh, he got off. Oh, he's
got it. Right?
Yep.
There you go.
That ain't a bad little guy.
Bigger than the ones I caught.
Might almost be 24. All right, buddy. I think I'm gonna take a picture of you. Oh, I just had another bite. There's a million of every type of size crawfish imaginable.
You like to eat them?
Yeah, I do. I was gonna ask you if you do, but you're allergic, aren't you?
Yeah, I can.
Oh, look at this spot.
This looks decent in here.
Right there. So we might catch the 30-incher. Well, for smallmouth. Let's try that again. He came from right up in here. He may have had some buddies with him. Straighten up in the line. See what else we can do. There we go. There's one. Feels like a pike though. It's running back and forth. Oh no, that's a smallmouth. Not a half bad little guy. Very bronze. That's why one thing I really like about river smallmouth. That is the brownest smallmouth I think I've ever caught. Check that out. It's kind of a cool fish. Let's see if I can get the hook out. He ain't huge, but he's pretty. He fought hard. All right, buddy. I think I'm going to switch to a crawfish bait and try to match the hatch because there's just a ton of crawfish in here. And I've been really struggling to get any bites on this fluke. Alright, I'm going to fish this absolutely as light as possible. I have I think it's about an 1/8 ounce weight and a 4-inch crawl pappy. Okay, I'm going to rig this Texas style. Hook it through the nose. Bring it around. This is essentially a tube. So I'm going to hook it right through there, which is I think about right where it needs to be. Back hook it just a smidgen. And fish it. There we go. That's the weight. Oh, got him. Another half decent little fish. Almost identical to the other one. It's fighting pretty good. And man, they can pull. For the size of them, these fish pull really hard. Yeah, he might be 14 inches. All right, buddy. Got one of my pinchers. What? I think he'll still work. Only one pincher. I guess I need to stay here a little while longer. I was about to leave, but I think he just changed my mind. He's got me a couple more casts. They're willing to bite. Try to get underneath that tree. Yeah, this looks like a great spot. I love fishing these little streams. One of my favorite things to do. I think Zach caught 4 pike. I caught 3, 2.5, 3 bass and a pike, and we had a couple really big hits and a bunch of follows. It was a lot of action. So for a new spot that we've just dropped in on, I think it's a pretty good day. All right, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe, and check out my channel for more content just like that. All right, catch you on the next one. All right, I lied. We're not done yet. We got another spot that we're gonna try out. So this is gonna be a couple quick casts, but you never know.
There's a bunch of woodies.
Yeah? Oh, look at this. This is gorgeous, don't it?
Did you see that?
Yeah, I did. That bit a lot like a smallmouth. Cast back to where you had that bite, and then I think I'm done. I'm good. Ah, yeah, I had him. I had him good too. Waited just a second too long to set the hook. He definitely came back. I don't know if he was huge, but he might just have. Might just have the claw too. You never know. All right, I'm done for reels this time. Peace.